Hey guys! Today, I'll be showing you how to create your own automatic scheduler for RDS instances with AWS Lambda functions. We'll create a stop function. First, we'll create a policy. Go to IAM on the AWS console and then click on Policy. Click on the JSON tab, just paste this code onto it. Name the policy and give it some description. Now click on Create Policy. With that, our policy is created. Search for it over here and it should be visible. Next, go to Roles, and click Create Role. Choose AWS Service, and then pick Lambda since we'll be making a Lambda function. Now attach the policy we created earlier. Create the role. You can find it on the search bar. Choose Lambda from the AWS console. Click on Create a function. We'll be authoring from scratch. We'll use the role we created earlier. So now we're ready to build our function. These are the permissions available to this function. Click on the role so we can add an inline policy. We'll use it to gain permissions for Lambda functions. Here, we've got the ARN, we'll be needing that. Click on the JSON tab and copy-paste this code. Now copy the ARN we have on the top of the function page and paste it after resource. Name the inline policy and create it. Now if we check the permissions, you'll notice we have Lambda 2. Okay, time to update the code. Copy-paste this Python code onto the editor. As you can see, the variable DB instance holds the value DB instance name. We need to set the DB instance so it knows which DB to target the scheduling. To achieve this, we'll add an environment variable. The key is DB instance name and, for me, the database name is database1. Now if I were to test run this function and go to the RDS page, and refresh it, then yep, the function has stopped the RDS instance. With that, we've made a stop function. You can go to CloudWatch to schedule when to trigger this function. Check out the description to get the code and to get the code for the start function.